Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make fermented Korean traditional kimchi at home for business. It's super easy to affordable and it's my version. Here I used 15 kg of Napa Cabbage. I cut in small pieces, then I wash it properly. After rinse it properly, then pack in container. Now I add right amount of salt in the cabbage and I mix all properly by my hand. I almost used 750 gram of salt for 15 kg of Napa cabbage. I keep it rest for 3 to 4 hours. I used to cut radish and carrot in same size in julienne. Cutting the carrot and radish, to sprinkle some salt and mix it all properly and keep it rest for another 30 minutes till water will come outside. Now I have to make paste those 3 ingredients in the mixer, and let's do preparing rest of other ingredients. All these ingredients are very simple and affordable. You will get easily from market. With using this ingredient, you can make a really delicious kimchi at home. I used fermented soya sauce. I think that is the best alternative to the fish sauce. I highly recommend this Kashmiri red chili powder for making kimchi, and it helps to enhance the color of the kimchi and non-spicy. Now let's start how to make a batter for kimchi sauce. First of all, warm the water in the high heat, and I use 600 grams of glutinous rice flour. It means sticky rice flour which I made at home, or either you can use regular flour. And try to turn the heat in low temperature and continuously stir in well by using this kind of hand whisker. Here I add sugar which helps to make balance the fermentation. Now the consistency of the batter is almost ready, and I cook it around 20 minutes with low heat and then make it chill. Take a large container and put the chill batter and add the rest of other ingredients together. Actually, I prefer to use Sprite instead of sugar, but here I use both solid and liquid in less quantity, which can help to make the balance of the fermentation and enhance the taste of the kimchi. Here I already squeezed out the excess water from the carrot and radish. Then I'm going to add and mix all this properly by my hand. The most important thing is when you are making kimchi, you have to properly squeeze out the excess water from the cabbage. That will make your kimchi taste so delicious. Now let's do all the vegetables combined in the chili sauce batter. I skipped to add extra salt which already contains vegetables. Now my kimchi preparation is almost done, and let's put in a tight container with little press by your hand over the kimchi. Now let's cover it, and I keep in the room temperature for 5 to 6 days. Gradually it's going to be fermented in quickly. Hello. 6 days later, let's see my kimchi. Wow, look at the color. It smells so good. Now let's see my kimchi taste. Let's cheers. Taste is so great. It's very fermented and sour taste. After packing, you have to keep in the refrigerator. In the refrigerator, stick kimchi will ferment. As the time goes on, kimchi will get more sour and more sour. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next channel.